My video guide will provide you with detailed guidelines on how to effectively remove these scary pop-ups that come from the site Webprotectionsurveys.live. If you see these strange pop-ups in your Google Chrome or other browsers, you should treat them with extreme caution. Such pop-ups are totally faulty. They are deceptive, so you should not interact with them. All these pop-ups by Webprotectionsurveys.live claim to be related to the well-known security program, but they are actually not related to any decent software. So please be very careful, don't interact with these multiple and deceptive and totally fake alerts. Don't trust them. Such pop-ups, by the way, may be the result of some adware on your computer. I would recommend that you investigate the system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best solution to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start investigating your device in order to detect and eliminate other infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.